I can do the colors. I got 10 colors. Is you ready? Okay, let's go. This is my colors. I'm gonna show you all my colors. Now, is blue.
Green? Yeah, it's green.
Green, 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 green. Green. Green stuff. This green stuff. And this is soda. That's soda. And that's the airplane. That's a car. That's Hope. And that's Mr. Turtles. And this one. Blue.
It's blue? Let's see. It is blue.
Blue. Blue colors. Get washed.
What is that?
Sky, clothes, water, a shirt. Blue, 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 water, water. See?
What's the next color?
This one is orange.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Let's see. It is orange. What is that stuff? Pillows.
Yeah.
It's flowers. Paper orange.
Yeah.
And that's art.
See?
Pretty.
Thank you, Mama.
What's the next one?
This one. Pink.
That's pink?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Pink.
It is pink. What is that stuff? A sweater?
Yeah.
A heart?
Yeah.
A sticker?
Yeah. You know this?
Her shirt pink?
Yeah.
That's a nice pink stuff, Nye.
Can I get the sticker?
No, delete the sticker on there.
See? The sticker on there because I want that sticker.
What's the next color?
This one.
What is that?
Yellow.
That's yellow?
Yeah.
Let me see.
This one.
That is yellow.
And this one.
What
this
is on that yellow paper?
It's monies. And a hand. A people. Water park. See?
I see. What's the next color?
This one red. It's red.
It's upside down. What is that? Shoes?
Yeah.
Red shoes, red
Yeah.
words, a
And
red
bike.
shirt,
Yeah. And bike.
and a bike?
Yeah.
I see.
And this red
What's the next color?
is this one. Purple.
That's purple?
Yeah.
It is purple.
The purple stuff on it.
Is that purple nail polish?
Yeah.
I love nail polish. Is that purple grapes too?
Yeah.
Ooh. You like grapes?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. See? This is that stuff on it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, you can count too, girl. Stop. What colors in, what's the next one?
White.
Oh yeah, it's a white house.
Yeah.
It's white food.
Yeah.
It's a white blender.
Yeah.
It's a white plate.
Yeah.
It's a white paper.
Yeah.
White is so awesome.
See? I'm so excited. You pick them up. I told you I got you colors. Bye. Yeah, subscribe.